my friends, thanks for stopping by. I hope you're all having a great day. Today's video is a first for me. I did not know much about this company, I must say. They reached out to me and asked me if I would like to get their box, and I did a little bit of researching and then said that looks like a lot of fun, and I thought a lot of you might enjoy this. So I did partner up with FabFitFun, and inside this box I don't know what is there because I have not peeked, because I wanted you all to see my reaction, true reaction to this box. I will say that this box is a 4 times a year. It's a seasonal box. It comes out 4 times a year. It is $49.99, but it is valued, each box is valued at $200. So I'm really excited to see what's inside this little box. And with my video today, they have offered a code which will be below for you, and the link to their website and everything to help you get the job done. But they are giving you $10 off your first box, which will bring it down to $39.99. So, let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. All right. First of all, it is a very sturdy box, so I don't think anything will come damaged in it. This is their winter box. So of course the box has a winter theme on it. It's really cute. I also wanted to mention before we open up the juicy box, I wanted to mention that you can customize some of the items that go in your box, okay? And that's all on the website for you. So let's go ahead and open the box. Let's see how it opens. I did slice the tape because we didn't need to be here all day for that. And it just opens up, and you'll have some information here. That's just the mailing receipt. And then inside is a book. And this says FabFitFun. It's just a little magazine. And then we have here a $60 gift card off HelloFresh. And then we have the FabFitFun, and it says share the love, redeem the gift card for $10 off your next FabFit box. So if you share your box, and I guess if somebody signs up underneath you, you will get $10 off your next box. And then it comes sealed in tissue paper. So let's go ahead and pop that open. I do have to set it down, my friends, to be able to continue on with the video. So let's go ahead and tear the tissue open. Okay. I'm going to close my eyes and just grab the first product, hold it up, and it is by Ahava, and it is their hydration cream mask. So of course you know that I'm looking for my zoom lens, folks. You know that I absolutely love masks. So this will be a nice product to try, maybe in a spa video. But this is their hydration cream mask powered by Osmotor, infused and nourished thirsty skin with this active hydrating mask. It's a creamy mask. So, and it's a nice size. This is a 3.4 ounce size, okay? So we have that. And so I'm just gonna do it again. All right, I'm gonna reach in and grab whatever this is. Okay, what is it? Okay, this is Maricea Anthropology Beauty. And this is the coconut sugar sea whipped body cream. Ooh, that sounds nice. And this is a 5 ounce tube, and it says we always look to the sea for inspiration, especially in skincare. Our body cream is enriched with sea whip extracts, sea salt, and dead sea salt that helps to protect, nourish, and hydrate. All natural formula, paraben free, PEG free, sulfate free, never tested on animals. Isn't that a beautiful thing? So let's see, it's probably sealed, but I'm gonna go ahead and break the seal. Ooh, it smells nice, very nice. Ooh, I'm excited to try all this. Of course, you know I'll try it all and come back and share my results, or you may see it in an empties, and then I'll do a little mini review on it. But it's in a very pretty tube, and it's just coconut sugar. All right, so far so good. Okay, here we go. We're diving in, just like I would do with Jace. We're diving in. Somebody's going to give me a thumbs down for that. Okay, so the next product is by Thrive Cosmetics, and I actually bought everything in the Thrive Cosmetic line to do a tutorial for you. I'll get to it in the new year, I'm sure. Okay, this is the Thrive Cosmetic Brilliant Eye Brightener. Ooh, that sounds interesting. I don't have this product. And it says highlighting stick, and it has ring light technology. And this is also beauty with a purpose. This is, they donate to causes of battered women shelters and stuff. For every purchase you make, they donate something to battered women or women with cancer. It's really, that's why they call themselves cosmetics. All right, so it's shine bright with long-lasting champagne shimmer powered by ring light technology to diffuse light and define features, instantly highlights, brightens, and opens your eyes. Well, of course, this will show up in a tutorial, and it's just a beautiful little pencil, and let's give it a little try. Oh, very nice, very, very nice. It's a cream. And you can use it to maybe highlight the inside of the eye here. We'll go ahead and do it. Why not, right? We'll just add a little more bling bling to this holiday look I have going on. This look is in a tutorial, and what I did is I put my hair up and I left everything the same except for I added a little bit of shimmer to the lids just to give it a different look. So when you see that tutorial, keep this video in mind, all right? Okay, so that is really interesting. I don't want to look, I'm just going to go boop, and I'm going to grab something, and this is a, let's see what it says. This is Lele Sado, and this is the circle necklace is the perfect introduction piece for every woman. Explore all of Lili Sadawi's geometric, feminine, and colorful designs online. So let me go ahead and open this up and see what's in here. You know, I'm looking for layering pieces, so this might be one. Let's get this off. And you would think I was a child right now because oh my goodness, that is very, very pretty. Oh, how pretty is that? I'm going to put it on right now. It may even go with the little earrings I have on because those are just little balls. But let's go ahead and put that on. The chain allows you to adjust the length to whatever you would like. But we're going to just put it on and see how pretty that looks. Oh, that is really, really pretty. I love it. Absolutely love it. Okay. We'll dig it in. What do we have here? Okay, here we have bear paw. Oh, what is this? We might have to mess my look up today. I don't know. What is this? How did they know that I live in sub-zero weather? Oh my goodness, isn't this so adorable? It's a little fleece headband. And I'm getting lost in my little fleece headband thinking, oh, I'm going to wear this when I walk the girls. And then it's a beautiful little pair of the bear claw. They're gloves, but there is a little clip here that you undo, and you can make it into mittens. Tuck your fingers in to keep them warm. I love it. I love it. These are great for driving because you can have your fingers out, or when you need to use your cell phone. That's really great. So this, I mean, I'm not acting here. These are really, I mean, I really like this. This is really, I'm always looking for things to keep myself warm when I'm walking the girls, because sometimes when I'm walking those girls, it's like 10 below zero. All right, so now we're gonna dig right in here and get another one. What is this? Let's see. All right, this is from Pure Be Your Selfie eyeshadow palette. Oh, how cute. How cute. Be your selfie. All right, let me get this open. I had to get my scissors, so let's open this up and see. And from the back, it's looking like these are right up my alley. So let's see. Ooh, very pretty. I want to take this. It's got another seal on it. Hang on, because I want to swatch them for you. So hang on, my friends. How do I get, you know, sometimes you would think I was a child because I can't get into any of these. Oh, here we go. I got it. I got it. Okay, so I'm just going to take the seal off. And this is what it looks like. Very, very pretty colors. Perfect for me. So let's go ahead and do some swatches. Why not? Very, very soft shadows. These are, the first three are mattes, and they're very, very, very soft. Okay, so let's go ahead and give you a little swatch of those. So there you have those. Let me wipe my hand off so I can get into the next row. The next row is a satin finish. Very soft. These are pretty. I think the Pure line is sold at Ulta, if I'm not mistaken. All right, so let's do these right here. And you have some beautiful, oh, these are right up my alley. I'll be doing a tutorial with these. Look at those, really, really pretty. Okay, I'm gonna wipe those off so that I can go ahead with the next row. This is really, really nice. I'm very impressed so far. Okay, so let's go ahead and really, we've got 2 satin and 1 matte in this row. And this is what they look like. Really nice, really nice. I am really, really impressed. Okay, and so it says, unapologetically be your selfie this season with this 9-piece limited edition eyeshadow palette that was made with neutral eyeshadow lovers in mind. From warm brown tones to shimmery golds, this palette features shades that will complement any eye color or skin tone. Amplify your natural beauty with 4 velvety matte shades and 5 shimmer shades that easily blend into the skin for a flawless look. Whether you're creating simple daytime looks or amping it up for the evening or the holidays, watch as each highly pigmented shade makes your eyes impossible to look away from. Not bad. So this, to me, is really, really nice. Okay, so loving that. Okay, let me see. I have a couple more items in here. Okay, let's see what we have here. This is called Black or Block. This is an eye mask with hyaluronic acid. Now, who knew that they would be sending me this? I knew nothing about this box, my friends, nothing at all. Like I said, there were a couple videos, but to be honest with you, I don't know how much of it I watched. I've seen things on YouTube about it, but I knew nothing of the content of this box, and it seems that they knew me very well to offer me this box, because masking, winter, let's see what we have here. We have a box of eye mask. Yep, gonna love these. It's gonna be in a spa video, I'm sure of it. Let me see what it says about these. It says eye mask, hyaluronic acid. You know that I love both. It said late nights, too many cheeky wines, and let's not forget those carb-on-carb delights. Can have our peepers looking, well, not so fresh. Leave the evidence of last night behind and pop on our activated charcoal mask to depuff, detox, and get back to your shiny, gorgeous self. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna really tie one on for you and get a little headbanger going on everything. No, I'm not. But I'm gonna try these after, you know, maybe a late night or a night that I haven't slept, and you'll see these in a spa video, I'm sure of it. Okay, we have a couple more items in here, so I'm gonna grab these. And, oh, I know what these are. Okay, this, I actually have some of these, and these are really nice tools to have for especially leg workouts, but what they are is they are exercise disc. And this, well, let's see what they're calling them. This is from B-Body. Oh, this is Brooke Burke. Okay, Get Fit with Brooke Burke. And it says, Brooke has created exclusive videos to show you how to use your fitness sliders to enhance all kinds of workouts, including cardio, strength, and core. And it gives you her website to go on to use these, and you get 2, but I will tell you, these are really nice. They do help you to build your core, because you have to really engage your core to be able to do the leg exercises. So this is really nice too, and I have gotten back into my exercising. I just ignore the joint pain I have, because exercise just makes me feel good. So I'll incorporate those. Okay, we have one last, oh no, we have one last item in here. And then we have just a, okay, The box is empty now. This is a really nice box, okay? All right, so the last thing is a Mark and Graham personalized gifts. It says, keep in touch. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. At Mark Graham, we offer a curated selection of beautifully crafted gifts to celebrate all the moments and people in your life. We believe the art of gift giving is all in the details, which is why we offer hundreds of different monogramming options, and each gift arrives beautifully presented in our complimentary gift wrap. And this is part of the Williams-Sonoma Incorporation. So I'm going to open this up. It's a little throw, it looks like. Let's get it out of here and see. Or it could be a shawl. You could use it as a wrap. Yes, I think it is a wrap. I think it's a wrap. Or, let me see. Okay, so it can be anything. It could be a lightweight blanket for on the plane, or you could use this as a wrap for yourself if you're in cold weather. Again, on the plane, I always get cold on my neck. I need the air on me so I don't get sick on the plane, but it gets really chilly, so it's always nice to have a little blanket. And I swear they knew this box was for me, because I will take this on the plane with me now, and I have a nice little blanket to keep me warm, but I still have the air blowing on my face to keep me from barfing. Okay? So this is really, really nice. And again, it can be just a nice throw over a piece of furniture, or I would use it as a wrap. I most definitely would. Does it say it's a wrap or not? Let me see what it says. Personalized gift. You can use it for whatever you want. Whatever you want. Okay, all right, so that is the FabFitFun winter box. I would like to thank them for sending me this winter box and partnering with me for it. And again, underneath you will find a $10 off code for your first purchase. It is a subscription box. It's 4 times a year at $49. Let me make sure I'm giving you the right $49.99. But each box has a value of $200. And I will tell you, I'm very impressed with this. I'm going to, of course, use all of these items, and I think there's nothing in here that I wouldn't use. Okay, so that's a win-win for me, okay? And then don't forget all the extra coupons that you get. You get the $60 off the HelloFresh. Okay, so I am very impressed with this box. So thank you again to FabFitFun for sending it to me. I really appreciate it. I think this is really great. Like I said, to get 4 times a year with a certain person in mind for their birthday, for Christmas, for just saying I love you, whatever. I think this is a nice gift if it wasn't something that interested you, but for me, everything in here I'll be using. So let me know if you've been getting the FabFitFun box, and have you been happy with every single box that you've gotten, or have you had some disappointments? And how long have you been a subscriber to this? I will seriously consider it now. I truly will. But leave me a comment, okay? Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget, subscribe. We are living life here. Go out in the world and be happy, healthy, beautiful, and most of all, my friends, lovable. I love you all. Bisous.